Hey, digital drawing and painting. I just want to go over how to get set up with your final exam. Once you've selected an option, we're going to go ahead and set up a new Adobe Photoshop file. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and write in the new document. I've clicked on File, Create New in Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead and just name this right away, Atari Final Exam. And then I'm going to go by a 12 by 16 vertical composition because I am going to choose the animal portrait for mine. So I have 12 by 16. It is vertical. I chose a resolution, so it's like much higher quality of 300 pixels per inch. And then I'm just double making sure that the color mode is on RGB color. That's what we've been using the entire semester. So just double checking these things when you're setting up your final exam document. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and press create. And I have my workspace, my layers. I'm just going to bring that menu up. And now I'm ready to place in my photo I'm going to work from. So I'm going to click on File, Place Embedded. And then I should have this saved on my computer already. I have a whole thing for our whole folder for the final exam. I'm going to select my picture, doing the animal portrait. And then when I bring the photo in, whether if it's on the iPad or if it's on desktop, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my photo in the space is how I want to work from. So I'm kind of making sure that her face is up towards the middle because I want to make the composition where it's mostly her face and the background will be plain. Perfect. Once I have it where I want it, I'm going to press the move tool and then it's going to go from a blurry image to a nice clear image. I've got this set up to make it a little bit lighter before I trace on it for my sketch. All I'm going to do is make sure that I'm on the photo layer that I just embedded in. Click on Image, Adjustments, and then Levels. And this little window should pop up. Go ahead and take that output and just make it a little bit lighter so that when you're tracing over in a new layer for your line art or your sketch, you can see the detail a lot easier. Whereas if I didn't have that on, it'd be kind of tricky to trace from. So I made it much lighter so it's easy for me to find all the contour lines and all the detail so that I can start to draw this out before applying my base colors. So this is everything you need to do for setting up. Don't forget to File, Save As, making sure you are saving this somewhere where you know where it's at, and then it is a Photoshop file. That's all for now.